find a soursop on a tree. That's a soursop tree there. This is how you justify a real soursop tree. There's always a ants crawling on a soursop tree. So this is it. This is a real soursop tree here in England, in the biome, the Eden Project. Because there's ants actually crawling on the tree. This is medicinal plant, cures cancer. So gonna get the limb. So I'm gonna pick some soursop leaf here, make some tea when I get back to my lodge. They did not tell me not to pick leaves from trees, so I'm going to help myself to some soursop leaf here. Soursop leaf, I got it here. It's going in the bag, right in the bag. Make tea and take some back to London. Maybe it's the root that gives the warmth and all of the palm trees. Yeah, to eat. Mankind make everything bad, them bad. No. Inside here is soaking wet. I think even winter time it probably is. They have a lot of water. This must be natural rainwater though, isn't it? No water here. Gushing under this bridge that we're standing on. Yeah, proper stream. We have a running stream here in the middle of the rainforest. All of them though, they're all from West Africa. So here we have a plantain tree and lots of coffee. Look at green coffee on tree. Green coffee. Even ripe coffee up here. Wow, this round here is like a proper coffee field. It's got loads of different coffee. This is how my dad plants coffee in the Caribbean. My dad used to be a coffee farmer. I saw him used to coffee. Look at all these trees. Lots of coffee trees around here. Look, I wanted to pick one ages ago. Look. Whew, full of ants. Jesus Christ, the ants. Hey! I should not pick it then, should I? I'm giving it a little smell, see? Mango trees. See, mangoes. We've got mango tree here. But we haven't got any mangoes on the tree. That's a shame, because I could eat some mango. See, people have cultivated mango trees for thousands of years. Mango's fruit contain over 20 minerals and vitamins. So have a look. The mangoes over here. That is the mango trees. See? And up here we have the avocado tree, but there's no avocado inside. No avocado for me to eat and enjoy. But there, avocado. We call it pear in the Caribbean. Well, in Jamaica we call it pear, but here it's avocado. And up here is some more. Let's go see. What's this one? Banana. Which we know. Banana tree. Banana. Ooh. Look at this juicy banana. My sister would love this one, huh? You wanna see? Let's give you a close-up of the banana. Let's zoom in the banana for you. Let's zoom banana. Bring it closer. There is the banana. Let's come down, and that's the bit of the banana. Can you see? Banana tree. Here, let me zoom in. I find a breadfruit tree. One of my favorite is here. See on the breadfruit on the tree to pick? Look at the breadfruit. No, sis, there ain't no breadfruit. Wow. Breadfruit, huge breadfruit tree in the UK. We have some sugar cane. Alright, Glenn, you see how they're clever? Look how close the sugar cane is to the roof. Did you notice that? Yeah, but then till Marga. Then you don't think we can put one? They never say we can't have none. Any knife to put the sugar cane? No. Very so quickly though, doesn't it? Yeah. Amazing. Here we have our coca beans. Coca beans. Coca beans on the biome. This is a proper real bamboo plant, yeah? Solid. Growing here in the UK. Very solid. In the rainforest biome. Right. Solid bamboo. Solid bamboo. The real deal. Solid bamboo. Is it Arak Indian? Sissy Arak Indian somewhere. Here is the Arak Indian. A nomadic pennant hunter gathered in Sarawak, Malaysia. What we call it, Dasheen? We used to use these made chains and bangles home. What's it called? So here we have papaya again. There's a turn one. I'm going to pick it. There's a beautiful papaya. Turn, Glenn. Come pick that one here for me. I am going to pick it. Oh, watch if I'm not going to reach it. Watch and see. Here we have banana growing on tree in the UK. Can you see the banana? In the biome. At the Eden project, we have an actual banana growing on tree here. Well, I'm gonna go pick a papaya now, yeah? I think we spot a papaya tree here. Papaya growing in the UK in Cornwall. The Eden project biome papaya. So we have it on tree. And I think we spot some banana trees over here. I don't see that. See here is taro. I think they call them taro. And got lots of sweet potato though. More sweet potato. I don't think they know what it is. That's why they now label them. Here we have a mahogany tree. Those are not leaves. Real solid wood. It's another plant, isn't it? Like the thingy, another plant onto it. What you call it when they do this, Glenn?
In Jamaica, we would say stand the earth because they don't grow in the earth.
So in Jamaica, we call these the pustail. They're here in the biome. Don't know what they're called, but they're not even red. They're pink. Got some insects on here. And the same are these ants? But yeah, look at this rose here. No name, but yeah. Here is the cocoa plant. Chocolate tree. We call this in Jamaica chocolate tree. But the posh name is cocoa. Cow. Sis is not as brave, so she's not going up here, but Glenn went. I don't have good hips, so I'm not going up there. But sis is a little coward. See there? Coward. Coward. She paid £32.50 to get in here and don't want to have the full experience. So look, this is the roof of the biome. Where is it? Is this a trumpet tree, Glenn? Yeah, here's a trumpet tree. I haven't seen trumpet tree in a long time. We used to have a lot of these. Is it the trumpet tree woodpecker normally knock out and put thing in? Yeah, this is a trumpet tree. We have these back home. Woodpeckers would set up their nets and nest. This is what woodpeckers set up the nest in, isn't it? It is a trumpet tree.
Just look at the leaf.
The leaves, and you see how they try and curl?
Yeah.
Wow, here's a trumpet tree in the biome. Wow.
All those crops are grown in those domes, called biomes. Surprisingly, there was even ackee tree and many more tropical plants.